Hello, this is second video for Asira 2018. I wrote this before. Now there is a problem. There is the problem of axle. The axle is not original. This gear of the axle is come out. Must be inside this one, you see. Kinanglan ni sa sud niya ang kuan granahe sa axle para ma-detect sa ABS sensor. Sa kabila nasa loob ang kuan granahe. O hindi mo makita ang granahe sa loob. Ito ang tama. This is correct. This is the correct position. Ang granahe na doon sa loob. Ito ang correct na kuan. Nagpalit sila ng local na axle. Kaya hindi ma-detect sa kabila ang speed sensor. Kaya ang trouble code intermittent. So that is the problem. You compare from here, from left and right side. This speed sensor cannot detect the axle, rotation of axle, because the axle is not original. Nagpalit sila ng axle na local, kaya ganun ang ma-detect sa speed sensor. Local nga, made in China na axle, kaya nakaganon. Kini original ni. You see there's the left side, the thirds, the gear of speed sensor, axle. This detecting the speed sensor while turning. But this is the original position. This is the original axle. On the right side, you see, must be this one inside, because the sensor is here, not aligned properly. Kinahanglan ning kining granahe sa axle sa sud ni para ma-align ang speed sensor. Ngunit problema karon, kaya local may gialili sa customer, kaya i-suggest ko sa customer na palitan ng original. Kay China may gipalit. May part 2 na video na Asira 2018 ABS. This is a part 2 video for ABS warning light on in dashboard. So if you turn, you can see, kikita mo ang granahe nasa labas sa dapat na align niya sa kuan, sa speed sensor sa taas. Yung speed sensor sa taas, so malayo. Kaya yan talang ma-detect sa computer sa ABS. Kini okay ni, mo ni original na. axle. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.